Alrighty, so when I first started using this channel for putting actual videos on rather than just unedited video clips, it was because I was going out on long adventures, doing single speed world championships and going places in my van and doing like proper adventures, multi-day things on my bike, and I figured that I wanted to record all of that. However, then COVID happened and then my heart health went downhill. So it just became like festivals and music and whatever else took my fancy at the time. A bit of tech geekery and shit like that. But I always kept up with the camping, and I was trying to do like a bivvy a month, and that fell by the wayside. I was just too busy, never got around to it. But 2025 is here, it's January, and I figured I'd go for one a month again, if possible. I'll try and keep up with that. So yeah, we're at 18th of January, Saturday, and me and Rob have decided to go out camping. It's close to freezing outside. It's not like last weekend when we were at the Puffer, when it was actually minus 13 and in a foot of snow in places. It's just about getting frosty. All the snow disappeared overnight. It went from like minus 13 to plus 14 in a day, which is ridiculous. Anyways, we're going tonight. I've been out and filmed the place today when I took the dogs there for a wee walk, just to make sure it was suitable, and it is, and we're going there now. However, we've hit one or two complications. I decided that I would put all my stuff in one bag. I've got a 25 litre bag, and I tried to fit everything in there, backpacking, bike packing styly, rather than attaching it all to the bike in all the bike packing kind of stuff. Now Rob's seen that and says, how have you managed to get your tent and everything in there? And I said, I haven't got a tent, I've just got a tarp and a bivvy bag. So, what's happening now, Rob?
Well, I would be cheating if I took a tent, and I wouldn't want it to be seen that somebody was in a bivvy bag and I was in a luxury of a tent. So my bivvy bag is coming in instead.
So I'm having to drink beer while I wait for her to swap all the gear over in the kitchen again. So what's that nice tent you've just taken off, Rob?
Oh, that's my Big Agnes copper spur.
Right, which is a very nice,
Very nice
capable tent, and you're going to get rid of that comfort to rough it.
In a bivvy bag.
Look at this, 3.4%. I would be having words if I'd have carried this out.
Flat.
Second beer, 3.4. Right, if you added both the beers he's given me so far together, they wouldn't even equal all the beers that I'm taking tonight.
Here's to your double, Glen Scotia from Campbellton.
Oh, I wish you were whiskey, Campbellton. Look, okay.
So, cheer, flange.
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 Green 600. You better do your thing.
There we go. That's better. we're set up in a lovely spot. I've put the tarp between a couple of trees, and here's my bivvy bag. I've not put the sleeping bag in yet. I've got the light tour mat, and it only just fits in the Alpkit Hunka. I never thought about that. Hopefully that'll be okay with me in it as well, and a sleeping bag. Hopefully that'll be okay. There's Rob with her Hunka, and we're on Pipedream. I've got the 400, she's got the 600 now. Is this your first time trying it?
It is, yeah.
Right.
So,
Are you wrapped up well enough, do you think?
well, I'm hoping
Yeah.
that with my
It was
Neo
very,
Air thingamy.
it's very sparkly coming here. Watch is a toucanthropic from Vocation. This one is only a mere 6.7%, and we've also got a. Oh, sorry, you're getting the reflection or the shadow of the thing. Also got a Airaki at a mere 8%. If you've been here before, you'll know the score. If you're bike packing, don't be slacking. Only pricks. Drink less than 6.
That's what it is.
I can't remember the rest.
No.
I had a little rap set up for you, but because I've had a few beers and whiskies, I'm fucking well beyond that now. Hey, so I'm gonna have one of them beers. Probably only have one. I've carried 3 in. Should have known better that I would have too many with Big Ian. But we've vowed to do the Spey Burn revisit. And if you don't know what that's about, then you need to watch other videos. Watch the Rothers video. I'll put a link here. Well, it might be that one there. I don't know. One of them.
One of them.
I actually brought a meal to cook tonight, but that's gonna rhyme with Big Ian's plan to make me drink whiskey. But I've had some Christmas cake that Roberta brought, and now I'm on a hot cross bun with cheese in it, which I've never had before, but that's a success as well. You should always eat before you go to bed at camping, because it just warms your body up. Well, camping in the winter, that is.
Okay.
Cheers, Rob.
Nom nom.
Granny's here. Nom nom nom. It had been the intention to come here and set up a wee fire. We brought the fire pit. I don't know if we'll actually set fire to it. Are we going to set fire to the fire pit?
Is there any point? It's not actually all that cold.
It is like sparkly cold and freezing on the way here, but under the trees it doesn't feel that cold.
It feels quite tropical.
And Rob's a woman of a certain age, so she's not feeling that cold at any point these days. My toes are nippy.
Oh, are they?
I've got an extra jacket to put on, so I don't think I can be arsed lighting a fire. By the time we get it lit and it's going, it'll probably be time for bed anyway. So maybe, maybe not. Sorry if you were here to look at the campsite TV. Oh, it's about that thing, guys and girls. Well, it's 9 AM and I've had a good few hours kip. Nice and comfy. Yeah, I've had to sleep with my jacket on, but the light tour 5.8 arm mat and Pipedream 400 with a Alpkit Hunka Bivvy bag was plenty warm enough and comfy enough. that's a success, I suppose. I quite like this setup, having a bivvy bag under a tarp. Wouldn't do for summer though, there'd be too many bugs and slugs crawling about the place. But for winter, when it's cold and everything's dead, and you can wake up and look at the stars or look at the sunrise, it's quite beautiful. It's a win. Only had one beer here, well that's because Ian made me drink a couple before I left. And I'm glad as well, because I've not had to get up for a piss in the middle of the night. That's another win. Today is full of win. I thought you said you took your socks off.
Second?
I thought you said you took your socks off.
My big ski socks.
Oh, right. Now, we've camped here before, but it's nearly 2 years since we did, and the place has changed a lot. Right, there's the wood that chopped for fire in the fire pit that we had last time. But Storm Arwen made this one lean. This one was leaning over last time we were here, and it still is. I don't think it's a danger because it's held up by 2 trees up here, and if it does go, it'll go between them. It can't really go anywhere else. Famous last words there. I did talk about chopping this one down last time because it was on its last legs, and that's gone itself. And the last time we had a tarp here, I spoke about having to take a saw to that one, and nature's done that for us as well. But it didn't fall where I thought it was going to fall, where the tarp is here. It fell that way instead, which is kind of the way the wind goes. Prevailing wind, that is. This big massive bushy thing, that's also come down. Look at that, they've fallen in different directions. Sign of the times. But I once did a hammock camp between those 2 trees, so it's a good job I wasn't there that night. Wow. This is where we send the servants to do pot washing. Oh, look what we got here. We got otter prints, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I wonder if what has been around last night. They're pretty fresh. Oh, excuse me. Certainly a duck here. I'd really love to bring a rod and fish this at some point. I have seen fishing it at night when I've been out mountain biking. I don't know how you do it though, there's not enough room to swing anything. You just have to poke a rod in and drop a bait in and hope. I'll work something out. That beach over there, I don't know if you can see it on this shite little camera. We've got a lot of prints across that wee beach across there as well. I'm loving this spot here. This may be the site of future camps. It's flat, clear, and also not very many fallen trees. Because it seems like the forest doesn't want us to camp in our usual site. What camp? You'd never know that we were there, eh? So that's the sunrise just making it through the forest now. I'm hoping the camera picks it up. Never off a phone. Oh, look at that. Nearly 6 decades I've been on this planet, And the sun goes up and comes down every single day, and yet it still looks beautiful to me. Okay, that's us all set to go. There is no trace. Not maybe even here. How was that then, Rob?
That was excellent, Pete. Thank you very much.
What was your pickups from it?
New sleeping bag for warmth. Thermal leggings for warmth. Tarp for coziness and warmth. Brilliant. Yeah.
So you're a fan of the tarp and bivvy bag here?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Bivvy bag for the win.
Right. It's nice at this time of year.
Oh, fantastic. We'll do again.
Aye.
We'll come back soon.
Maybe not so nice if it was blowing a hoolie and pissing down.
Yeah, maybe not. No, but in these circumstances, spot on.
So that's January's bivvy a month in the bag. Not an adventure, not a trek, just a night out under the stars, chilling out and having fun. And but we did test out the bivvy bag and tarp setup, and yeah, I think that's one both of us over. We'll be getting used again. Right, we're about to head off out of here now. Hopefully I'll get some nice footage for you. I believe it's frosty out from under these trees, so maybe that's left. But the sun's coming up pretty strong now, although judging by my hands it's not very warm yet. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.
Hiding from my future, never knew what I was meant for. Scared to take a step, cause if I left then it would mean war. If I go to battle, will I make it back? And if I never do, will I wish I had? Cause now there's something calling me to jump
frost
into the deep end. Feels like my whole life until the second I've been dreaming. If I ask, would you come and fight with me? It's not just a moment, it's a destiny. We could be the warriors. They don't know who they're messing with. They don't know we were born for this. We could be the warriors. They don't know who they're messing with. So let them know who they're messing with. No one ever thought that we could build ourselves an army. Got each other's back until we finish what we started. Kicking down the doors till the kingdom falls. Never gonna stop till we have it all. We could be the warriors. They don't know who they messing with. They don't know we were born for this. We could be the warriors. They don't know who they're messing with. So let them know who they're messing with. We are warriors. Yes, we are warriors. We are warriors. Yes, we are warriors. We could be the warriors.
What's the rest of it? You're no fan.
I'm really sorry. I didn't. How long ago?